In this quick tutorial I will show you how to hide your Steam inventory from people. Mine is on public right now and everybody who visits my profile can press on inventory and check out everything which I have and everything which I own. And I will show you how to hide that from people who are not in your friend list. So for that you have to reach your profile. Let's reach that from here. Alright, once you are on your profile page you have to select edit profile from here. And once you hit the general settings of Steam, we're interested in privacy settings, so let's select those from here. And here you can see my profile is on public, game details public, friend list public, inventory public. And now if you'll select friends only, this will allow only your friends to check out your inventory and strangers who are not in your friend list will not be able to see your inventory. But if you'll select private from here, no one can see anymore your inventory despite if they are your friends or not. So this is how to hide your inventory on Steam.